At previous session, we shared the basic version, the separate component solution. Today we introduce the high-performance requested solution. We recommend using an integrated intelligent PFC module solution. Same as regarding a 2000 kVA transformer, we recommend total compensation capacity of 800 kVAR, with 400 kVAR for each cabinet. Deployed as below, one cabinet is equipped with 2 PCS of 33.5 kVAR and 5 PCS of 67 kVAR PFC modules. The other cabinet is equipped with 6 PCS of 67 kVAR PFC modules. Each 1 meter wide and 1 meter long cabinet can be equipped with 8 PCS PFC modules. We installed 7 PCS PFC modules in the first cabinet and 6 PCS PFC modules in the second cabinet. We reserved 1 spare position in the first cabinet and 2 spare positions in the second cabinet for future expansion. In the future, it can be expanded for extra 200 kVAR. Each PFC module comes with a knife fuse and circuit breaker. To match with reactor of 7% reactance rate, the PFC module uses thyristor switch inside and can display current and temperature of each module, including the temperature of each reactor and capacitor. The design temperature rise of capacitor is less than 8 K, and the design temperature rise of reactor is less than 30 K. The PFC module can alternate or rest based on temperature or time, to extend the PFC module lifespan. The cabinet is equipped with 4 cooling fans and temperature control system, with air intake from the front door and exhaust from the upper rear door. If you are interested in our products, please send me message, so I can provide drawings for your reference.